Yeah, okay, people, here we go again. This is the property that my mother lost, and I'm homeless. Well, I'm sleeping in my boyfriend's bed, but that's okay. At least I'm not in my car, and the owner has allowed me to save some of my things in the basement. But that's not the bottom line. If you're going to own property and make a will, you'd better make sure that you know who your executor is. Because here's the deal, folks. Welcome to Ontario, the land that's a haven for friggin' criminals. If our laws were created by the goddamn mafia for criminal behavior and property theft, they couldn't have done a better job. Now, here's the deal. An executor, somewhere in 1990, I think, or maybe it was 1999, but who cares? Some jerk in the government, I don't know if it was the province themselves or what, but nobody's listening and nobody's doing anything about it. But here's the deal. An executor has the right to put their name on title, by law, to be registered as owner. Now, there's an open door to steal properties, to steal the house, to steal the money, to empty the bank account, and don't think it's not happening. I'm not at liberty to give you names, but it's happening all over the place. Now, I can't imagine about Alberta and Manitoba, because they've got, first of all, they've got laws that ban secret filing. But my brother secretly filed his name on title, and I'm telling you right now, here's the name of the lawyer. If I had him in a corner, I'd like to smack him. This guy didn't even bother to search title, and he didn't care that he was violating the rights of survivorship in the matrimonial home. Oh yeah, what the hell? Give him ownership. And his name is Serge Trahern. That's the lawyer. Yeah, real Dumbo. Now, I mean, he didn't make enough money out of my brother that it should have made sense for him to allow that. But who's the jerk that made that law in the first place? I am so friggin' mad. All I can tell you people out there, if you're a broker and you're an elderly person, or if you have even if you're young, and you want to leave your property to somebody, well, you better make darn sure you know who your executor is. In fact, here's the bottom line. Why don't you just make sure you do everything so that the executor doesn't have any power to do that? I'm not sure how you could do that, but there's got to be a way to stop it. I'm going to fight the Ontario government to my last goddamn breath, and if I die, I don't care. But I'll sleep in my car before I'm going to give this up. I am so pissed that people can be so stupid. Yeah. That's Ontario government. Boy, am I madder than hell. Have a great Mother's Day, because my mother's dead and she died mainly because of all this bullshit. Thanks very much, Canada. Up yours.